चला చిన్న చేద్దామా అందుకే వచ్చింది చిన్న చేసి వచ్చేస్తాను అదే ఇది ఓకే ఇది సార్ ఇది ఎట్లా ఇది 560 చేయవచ్చు ఓకే ఇది రౌండ్ వేసేసేయండి తీసామని చెప్పాను ఫార్వర్డ్ పెట్టించేసేయండి అలా చూసుకెళ్ళి ఫార్వర్డ్ పెట్టించేసేయండి తీసేసాను తీసేస్తాం
This is our executive officer and this is going to be the reception. Over the executive office.
आइए इसी तरह रिसेप्शन है
Overall the executive office and
Oh, what office, man. Wow, excellent. Wow! Good.
Fantastic, you know.
So that is the conference room. We're going to meet
This
here
one is
in a
conference
while.
room?
Yes.
Okay.
Let me just show this to you.
रात में जो 10:30 समय इसी ना
सही बात है.
ओके क्या बात है
Better night you do.
Superb.
We'll have more choice coming in.
Unit 2! Unit 2! Unit 2!
Where all the camera goes, you have to follow.
So this is Malik's office. This is where he's seated up.
Okay.
Malik's body.
Malik body.
Body.
Malik's body. Malik.
अपने में से तो है नहीं मोदी है तो है
Everyone doesn't know about Malik Modi. That's Malik Modi.
It's Modi. Modi.
You can't miss the silent.
No, Modi is more influential. It's about Modi here.
Oh, yes.
and this one is
And have many Modi.
Junaid Iftikhar Ahmed
Very good. Also fantastic office.
Very nice. Lovely office.
Lovely. जुनैद इसका डेजिग्नेशन क्या है? दिनेश भाई को अरे
आइए सर, कुछ गर्म करे तो इसे
आपको शायद हमने देखा है कहीं, शायद देखा है कहीं। आप हमारा थैंक यू क्या करें।
Sure, sir, sure.
थैंक यू फॉर महाराज का स्पेशली।
Yes, we are on the FB Live.
एक
हाँ पुष्पा जी,
ये हटा नहीं अपने हटा।
परफेक्ट है ज्यादा ही है
वाह पुष्पा जी कहाँ है? पुष्पा जी कहाँ है?
क्या बात है, राजदीप मालिक को क्या बात है।
हाँ दीपक कुशवाहा
Wow! The boss's cabin. Wow!
हमारा सबका मीटिंग सेक्शन है ये ऐसा हमारा मीटिंग सेक्शन
Wow!
तो यही है अच्छा
Lovely.
ओह लवली ब्यूटीफुल लवली ऑफिस थैंक यू बहुत जल्दी सर यहाँ पर आने वाले हैं 5-6 महीने बैठेंगे
अच्छा ये उनका प्राइवेट मीटिंग हो गया या इसलिए उसमें जाना मना।
इसलिए आप पहले होके आ गए हैं
बहुत जबरदस्त है सर। अभी ना
बहुत अच्छा।
बड़ा रहे होंगे।
एक्साइटमेंट बहुत बढ़ रहा है भाई
People that were asking about Junaid, we have Junaid. He's the general manager for on passive.
Sorry, sir.
ये सुपर सब लोग कहते हैं प्राइवेट डाउन टेबल एंड
Sir, you are all on the FB Live.
Beautiful conference room, lovely.
इधर से निकल जाओ।
Yes sir.
चाय कॉफी वगैरह किसी को लेना
Anyone wants refreshment?
चाय लेना है कि डायरेक्ट खाना खाना है, क्या करना है आप लोग को?
सीधा खाना खाएंगे
चाय लेगा ना तो सीधा ही
Thank you Junaid for
Pleasure, sir. It's a pleasure. Hope you liked everything.
beautiful, beautiful, lovely. My name is Girish Kodia.
Yeah, you all know that.
I heard your name very well. Anytime.
Yeah.
Thank you for
The facility.
We can.
The facility.
Which place?
We are on the 5th floor right now. This is basically the managerial or executive floor. All the managers and the executives. Even we have the room ready for Ash.
Some chairs, more chairs.
Yeah, we are also keeping it ready for him. While at Ash, we have that one. This area, guys, take it.
और ये ब्यूटीफुल ऑफिस
Thank you so much.
Yeah, please, please. So this should be actually.
Yeah, please be seated and be comfortable.
Yes, Dr. Shukla.
Yes,
Webinar start. 7:30 म्हणजे क्लास स्टार्ट. दीपक जी. दीपक जी
उपस्थित देवी और नहीं नंबर को
Sir, you are.
विशेष टिप्पणियों के लिए जाने जाते हैं.
Sir, you are all on FB Live. Can you say one time? Yeah.
We are. We are. We are.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, S. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, S. We miss you, S. Miss you, S.
Thank you so much for everything.
Thank you. अभी बहुत बड़ा ऑफिस है निकल चलो let's go we'll have our dinner and then come back सर कोई इंटरेक्शन will go live कोई
We'll see the other floors also.
so you people are working there you people are working
Definitely, guys, all our workstations. You can see.
Then we'll get our foot in. So there we have washrooms at the end, and then Deepak Pushpa's room, and there are other cabins that we have for interviews and general discussions. Great, great. Must be done. Yes, yes.
Yeah, this floor is done.
This floor is done.
Impressive interiors, very nice.
Thank you so much, sir.
Impressive. Simple and sleek.
It is all because of Manasa was getting it decorated.
working station
Yes, definitely.
So these are our working stations. Great, sir, great. This is going to be the server room. We're going to have our systems here. Those at the end are going to be our conference rooms.
Again, for this floor,
Yes, sir.
how many seating capacity for this?
This is
Only for this floor I am asking.
this floor should be something around 290 seater.
All workstations there.
I'm sorry, sir.
All workstations.
We have it down there. We just got this renovated, so we're going to ship them soon. All of these are workstations in there.
Wear your mask. So this is the place. No? So
This is the place, yeah.
we take
More or
a
less
and
it's
go,
it.
go this
So
side.
those are the conference rooms
Okay. For this floor.
for this floor.
This was, I think, totally renovated.
Totally renovated, yes.
Again, two more floors are there.
yes but for this floor 290 for everything is working that means actual capacity
अच्छा ये ना
but the color combination the chair the design
You need to win it.
ऐसे कैसे हो जाएगा दिनेश जी? अरे हम 6-7 दिन
We are in it to win it. We are in it to win it. We are in it to win it. Thank you.
बनी ना
But you can take.
सामने चेहरे आप ऐसे क्यों कर रहे हैं? सामने चेहरे बंदे के पीछे क्यों कर रहे हैं?
इसे लेके जाओ.
गलत बात है, आप मास्क लगाइए बस.
इनका सोलो परफॉर्मेंस होने वाला है, अभी मैंने मना कर दिया.
Please wear the mask. Please wear the mask, please. Anybody without a mask? $- होगा टास्क में से. Thank you so much. Very nice.
From the time these guys have started the organization here, it's been 4 months now. From August the 28th is when
जो पागल बनाते हैं वो ठीक से नजर आता है. It's okay.
This is the floor number 3.
this is the 3rd floor. We have the conference room here.
Change, we are going to shift in 4th floor in this.
Okay. Sorry.
20 to 40.
Same like photo.
4th meter is going to again change.
So this is being renovated now. We're going to
The
split
4th
it.
floor, how it is done, the same thing will be done in the 3rd floor as well. These cabins will be removed and air workstation will be
Everything will
removed.
be
The
removed.
structure will be changed.
Okay.
However, we're just working for a while now
But
from this place. So this is where the HR is located.
Oh.
And we have the operations team here.
Okay.
Operations team and the cabin and HR. More feasible for people to see.
Yeah.
Hello. Hi guys. Hi guys. Thank you so much for everything. Hello.
This is Krishna Chaitanya, who leads the talent acquisition team. That is Rahul, who would be assisting him.
Hi Rahul. Hi Rahul. Hello.
We have the HR manager being seated out of here.
Hello.
Her name's Bharati, she was here.
Okay.
Okay. So now we are moving this side.
Yes.
one more floor.
We have the cafeteria here and then the washrooms.
Okay.
ఒక్క నిమిషం ఇది ఒకసారి కింద పట్టుకొని ఇట్లనే పట్టుకోండి.
Camera. Cover there.
ఒక్క నిమిషం
It will not you are there.
Please wear a mask.
Over them, na? Ready, sir? Here is your mask.
Please.
My mask is there.
Mask is a task, but it is necessary to wear a mask.
Please. Sukantaji, please wear.
Food is good. Stop. Very nice, very nice. Which way to go?
I think we have to go this way.
ये जिसको चार्जर बोलते हैं ऐसे लेके जाओ.
The local people are like this. I think we can take a pic. Can we gather here for a pic, guys?
Hello.
We need to gather here.
we'll gather here for a bit. Yes.
Move. Ladies, move fast.
Second floor.
ఒక నిమిషం లోన నెలకొని వేసే
అలా దిగారు వెనకకి వచ్చేసి
This is where the operation team is working from.
The live floor.
Alive.
Thank you so much.
Sorry to disturb you.
మళ్ళీ తీసాను
Don't shout, they're working, okay? I like to shout.
Hi, hello.
Hello.
మీరు వెనకకి జరిగా నా పక్కనే ఉండండి
Hi. Thank you so much for working for us. Hi, thank you. Thank you so much.
Hi guys. Thank you.
థ్యాంక్స్
All pitches were right.
వెంకటికి ఇచ్చి స్నాప్ అక్కడ కొట్టేటి ఫ్లవర్ వస్తుంది వెంకటేనా ఇదా ఇంటర్నెట్ మొత్తం తిప్పు పైన తిప్పు మొత్తానికి అది రొటేట్ చేయి అటు 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 అదే వీడియో ఇది నొక్కాలి వీడియోకి వీడియో చాలా ఫోటోలు మస్తు అయిపోయినాయి కానీ
You can have it answered.
Let's have a overlook.
Next time you'll see a change.
Yeah, 100%.
We'll keep it posted on the
This is work in progress. Thank you, Yash. काम का चीज अपना हुआ है. This is work under progress.
Hi.
auditorium here.
Amazing. क्या बात है.
There's a small auditorium here.
150-seater auditorium, 150-seater auditorium with good sound system, both sound system.
And a great projector.
Completely.
Very good. That's lovely. Lovely. Have a seat. तो सब गए हैं. जो यहाँ के थके नहीं वो खड़े हो सकते हैं. जो यहाँ पे वो खड़े रहो. बैठ जाओ थोड़ा मॉक मोटिवेशन दूंगा मैं जल्दी करो. ओके. कोई बात नहीं.
లాంగ్ షాట్ తీస్తే అప్పుడు
पीछे का आगे रहो ना.
మామూలుగా
Can we have everyone?
फोटोग्राफी के लिए बेस्ट जगह है सर. ध्यान सर. फोटोग्राफी के लिए सब बेस्ट जगह है. सब लोग रोकते हैं. यहाँ सबके चेहरे आएंगे, सबका फेस आएगा. और कल ऑफिस बंद रहेगी संभवतः ऐसे कुछ नहीं आएगा. टोटल 28 लोगों का यहीं पे जी.
ये सब लोग बैठ जाओ, साथ में बैठो और एक भी लिस्ट मिस मत करो. तो ये सब लोग फोटो निकालो तो सब लोग आएंगे. हाँ, राज्यों की गतिविधि और विकास समाचार अभी भी समाप्त नहीं हुए और हम बैठे थे पूरी बिल्डिंग देखे और बिल्डिंग इतना जबरदस्त है. सारा फ्लोर वाज सो नाइस एंड वी थैंक एवरीबॉडी हियर. पर्टिकुलरली द स्टाफ वाज वेरी कंफर्टिंग, एनकरेजिंग, पोलाइट एंड ग्रेशियस एंड हमको बहुत मजा आया. और ये हॉल देख के मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ये भर जाना चाहिए और मैं मेरा राज्यों की गतिविधि और विकास समाचार अभी शुरू करना चाहिए. धन्यवाद.
बैठने
चल भी सकता है, बैठ भी सकते हैं. सब लोग बैठे तो अच्छा एक फोटो मिलेगा अपना सब लोग का. और अपन 28 लोग कितना है था वो है क्या सब लोग? सब आ जाएगा अभी धीरे-धीरे. इधर फोटो निकालने के अच्छा है बिकॉज मुंह पे ना सबका लाइट दिख रहा है.
यहाँ बहुत अच्छा आएगा.
Everyone over here. 1, 2, 3. Go for another one. 1, 2, 3.
అదే తీస్తున్నా పక్క తీస్తున్నా.
Again, once again. 1, 2, 3.
Yes, sir. Congratulations. Offices.
Live right now.
Facebook Live is going on.
अरे बोलने का ना फिर.
आ गए ऑलरेडी. हैप्पी लाइफ में आ गए.
ఆల్రెడీ ఇందాక తీసేసాడు మనోడు చేత్తో పట్టుకున్నాడు.
Wow. Thank you so much.
So our team would actually ask you for your Facebook ID, Insta ID, whichever social media they would actually go ahead and tag you in all these images.
మనం తన పంపించండి. మీరు ఆ పని మీద ఉండండి. లేదంటే
So I will actually have someone from the team.
స్టాండ్ పైన వదిలేసి కావాలా? ఇప్పుడు వీళ్ళు బయట
Yes, I think that would be perfect.
బయట తీసుకుంటాము. అదే నేను పుష్ చేయమని చెప్తున్నాను.
Shankar. Offices.
సార్ వీళ్ళు తీసుకొచ్చి
Excellent. I'm part of the Passive and everybody very happy. I can't believe.
Wow.
So our team would like, so we are also keen to have a small 2 or 3 lines from each one of you. So we are very keen to capture that small snippet of motivation for everyone else. If they would be coordinating with you.
చేస్తాను. కాకపోతే నువ్వు బయట తీసుకోవాలి వీడియోతో.
You are asking
అదేం పెడతారు.
right now or somewhere in the lobby or?
However you want to do it. You want to do it now, you want to do it later, it's up to you. No, you can do it now. You can do it
Now is the time. I think this is the best time. If individually who wants to tell anything, एक एक करके आगे जाओ. आपको कुछ बोलना है तो 1-1 मिनट के लिए बोल सकते हो.
స్టాండ్ పెట్టరా స్టాండ్
Or else they can come your seat.
బయట తీసుకుని మాట్లాడతారా?
You want to speak there? The mic is on. Mic is on.
కింద
It's on. Yes.
లెన్స్ ఇంకా అవన్నీ తీసుకొని కింద గింబల్ కూడా ఆడిటోరియం
ये वापस आ जाओ ये शी विल कॉल
So while we lit the lamp and all of you were, were so enthusiastic in, doing, accepting all that we have done. But verbally, I really welcome all of you, and your presence today is immense. So thank you all for accepting our invite and being part of this beautiful office of ours. So yeah, I would like to hand over the mic to whoever wants to be the active participant. Also, before we get into the crowd, I also want to I'll give you a clear picture of the agenda followed after this. So once we are done with discussion here, we'll be moving for dinner, and post that we'll be connecting with Ash. Which we have always been waiting for so long. Yes. So are we in it? Yes. Thank you so much. I would like to invite the white gentleman in the first stage.
ఒక స్టాండ్ తీసుకొచ్చాడు అంతా ఒక స్టాండ్ తీసుకొచ్చాను రాజు అంతా పెట్టిన స్టాండ్ తీసుకొచ్చి
हेलो नहीं सोना मजा नहीं आया दिल से मेरी दिल की गहराइयों से मैं आप सभी का वेलकम करता हूँ और दिल से कहता हूँ तो लाइफ के जितने भी ड्रीम्स हैं वो बहुत आगे निकल चुके हैं अभी अगेन मेरे पास वर्ड नहीं आई है नो वर्ड टू एक्सप्रेस माई फीलिंग्स नहीं थैंक यू गुरशमिंदर जिसकी वजह से आज मैं यहाँ पे चल रहे हैं थ्रू आउट द वर्ल्ड मैं दिल से मेरी दिल की गहराइयों से अगेन आप सभी लोगों का धन्यवाद करता हूँ अगेन थैंक यू ऑल लव यू ऑल
ऑन पैसिफिक राजा तू सर चढ़ के बोले ऑन पैसिफिक राजा तू सर चढ़ के बोले
Thank you so much, Jashveer sir. Would there be anybody else that would like to share anything about OnPassive? Please. We're all waiting.
One by one.
This is the only time where you don't need to wear your mask, sir. So.
Thank you. Good evening all.
Good evening.
Really I am excited and fired up. Are you ready?
Yes.
We are in it to win it.
Yes.
Thank you very much. Thank you. I really am proud to come to this event. My heart is full of joy and unspeakable to raise an cordial welcome. Thank you very much for the staff and everything. I'm also thanks to my apprentice Ravi, and also thanks to my mentor and my guide is none other Mr. Jashwant Singh Jesse, and also thanks to Gushminder sir, special thanks to Ash Mupra, our CEO, and thanks to my team leader, especially R.K. Reddy, very much. Thank you very much. And also thanks to all LC members who came to my meeting, and right now my team size is 5,000. Be a part of Gauri sir, be a part of Vandana madam, be a part of so many Gurra sir, so many members are all attending my webinar, and right now my team is 5,000. Feel proud from last 6 months. I would like to introduce myself. My name is G.V. Rao from this state, Telangana, from Khammam, near I think 250 kilometers. I have done my postgraduate and research done. After I came into stock market 10 years, Right now I have doing stock market into and enter into this network marketing by my friend Vinod. And right now, this golden opportunity I came into my life April 6, 2020. Really thank God and thank God to many times, and also thank God to Ash Mufana. This is a wonderful business opportunity. Right now this is the 21st century business. 21st century, we are the era of this 21st century, and 21st century that completely take place the artificial intelligence and machine learning system is the most advanced business, I think. And be a part of this is not a MLM and network marketing. I am the founder. Feel proud I am a founder. And actually the Telugu states totally out of 9 crore people. And actually I would like to reach this concept more than 5 crore people coming days. And everyone poverty and unemployment I think is eradicated by me. I am proud to say thank you very much. I change my Telugu states entire poverty and unemployment. We are ready to win. Thanks to give this golden opportunity. Special thanks to Jashwant Singh. He is my mentor and lovely brother, and is a awesome guy, humanity and kindly nature of the super guy. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
तालियां होनी चाहिए।
Hello everybody, good evening, सत श्री अकाल, नमस्कार, आदाब। बड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है जी, मुबारक। बाबा बुल्ले शाह ने बोला कि अज का दिन मुबारक चढ़िया, रांझा साडे वेड़े वड़िया, हथ कुंडी मोढे कंबल धरिया, चाका वाली शक्ल बनाई, आहो नहीं सही और देवो नहीं बधाई, मैं वर पाया रांझण माई। आज बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, और आई एम वर्किंग विद द पार्टी इन पॉलिटिक्स, और मेरे जैसे लोगों को इतनी बड़ी अपॉर्चुनिटी, मैं स्पेशल थैंक्स करना चाहता हूँ ऐश मफरा जी का और गुरशमिंदर ढिल्लों साहब, मेरे बहुत पुराने दोस्त हैं, हमारे सुपरस्टार, हमारी जान, हमारा सब कुछ। एक बार जोरदार तालियां होनी चाहिए जस्सी साथी के लिए। और जब हम चले थे तो एक थे, आज लाखों में पहुंच गए, और आने वाले समय में हम करोड़ों और अरबों में जाएंगे। और मुझे उम्मीद है कि जो आने वाला समय है, दुनिया हमारी मुट्ठी में होगी, और हम सब लोग अपने वो सपने, वो ड्रीम्स, वो सब कुछ हासिल कर पाएंगे जो हम लोगों ने कभी सोचे नहीं थे। तो इसलिए आप सबको मुबारकबाद और कंग्रेचुलेशंस इतने खूबसूरत ऑफिस के लिए। कभी सोचा नहीं था कि इतना खूबसूरत ऑफिस देखने को मिलेगा, और इतना अच्छा स्टाफ, और इतने अच्छे लोग, और इतनी अच्छी क्या बोलते हैं हॉस्पिटलिटी मिलेगी। बहुत ही अनबिलीवेबल। मुबारकबाद, मुबारकबाद, मुबारकबाद। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Please, with very big round of applause for Mr. Neeraj Gandhi.
Okay, is my voice clear?
Yes, very clear, like
clear.
Okay, maybe, yeah. Okay, for people who don't know me, my name is Neeraj Darvi, and what you see behind, when I joined, even the name was not there. So I have actually seen it from a baby, and right now I can't just express the feeling. So I just can't express it. When I joined, like it was in 2018 October, hardly any Indians at that time. Then came the revolution in India. On passive team champions, August 15th August 2019. What a wonderful day. So thank you, Jassi ji. When I joined, maybe I did not expect, I don't know was there at that particular time, but you gave me a goal. Thank you very much. Thank you, Dhillon ji, because I've learned a lot from him. Thank you. Thank you, Ash. I think I don't know how to thank you. I have tried to thank you many times. And I think I will always thank you always. And on passive team, what a wonderful hospitality. Maybe like we went through the COVID test, we went through everything, but what we got was really exciting. So thank you on passive team. We are in it all together and we will always be together. Thank you.
Very good.
A very big round of applause for Mr. Modi!
This is going to be the last testimony that we're going to have for the days, because we're also going to go for dinner after this. So, sir, all yours.
I will speak 2 words only.
Sure, indeed, sir.
Hello, friends.
Hello!
आप लोग एवरी थर्सडे को मेरे को सुनते हैं एंड आई थिंक ऑन पैसिव स्टाफ must also be knowing me. I'm Dr. Idris Modi and specialist in herbal medicine. And मैं अपनी बात शुरू करूंगा एक जो बोलते हैं ना ऊपर से जो मैसेज आता है, the message which comes from the God, उससे स्टार्ट करूंगा मैं. मेरे को 8 महीने पहले जस्सी जी, मेरा बहुत अच्छा दोस्त है, बहुत अच्छा, इन्होंने मेरे को बोला कि मोदी साहब एक प्लान आया है और वो आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस है, इट्स आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस. सो आई सेड दैट जस्सी जी, आई डोंट नो अबाउट दिस, आई एम एक्सपर्ट इन फिजिकल प्रोडक्ट्स एंड आई डोंट लाइक ऑल दिस थिंग्स. तो मैंने उनको मना कर दिया. फिर 4 महीने निकल गए. 4 महीने, मैं ये बताना चाह रहा हूँ कि ये प्लान, दिस प्लान इज नॉट फ्रॉम दिस अर्थ, इट इज फ्रॉम द स्काई. तो 4 महीने बाद एक दिन सुबह मैं 5 बजे उठता हूँ, नमाज पढ़ता हूँ और पढ़ने के बाद मसल्ले पे अपने जो जिस पर हम लोग नमाज पढ़ते हैं बैठा हुआ था और कुछ नहीं, मतलब कभी ऐसा होता है कि आदमी कभी सोचता है किसी के बारे में तो उसको ख्याल आता है उसका, लेकिन मैंने कुछ सोचा ही नहीं था. लेकिन मालूम नहीं, बस मैं सद्दे में गया, सर झुकाया और जस्सी का ख्याल आया. कैसे आया क्या है कुछ नहीं मालूम. ये यार जस्सी भाई ने मेरे को बिजनेस बताया था 4 महीने पहले, क्या था यार. तो मैं इंतजार किया 10 बजे तक का कि 10 बजे तो मैं जस्सी जी को फ़ोन लगाऊँ. तो मैंने इनको फ़ोन लगाया, मेरे जस्सी भाई आपने कुछ मेरे को बताया था यार एक बिजनेस के बारे में. अरे बोले सर मोदी सर उसमें तो बहुत 1 लाख लोग हो गए अब तो. आप तो, मैंने बोला आपने सुना नहीं. मैंने कहा सर मेरे को भेजो डिटेल, सेंड मी द डिटेल्स. जस्सी सर ने मुझे डिटेल्स भेजी और पूरा मैं लगभग 2 दिन तक उसको स्टडी किया और उसको उस दिन से आज तक मैं, मतलब मुझे लगा कि मैं जो अपनी फील्ड में काम करता था और लोगों को भला करता था कि मैं आई डू द ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ द पीपल एंड गिव देम द थेरेपीज एंड ऑल. सो दिस बिजनेस इज more, I can say more beneficial for my people than my treatment, because treatment they can take from any doctor, but this business they don't know about this business. I'm showing this business to them. और उस दिन से बस शुरू हुआ, जस्सी जी से ज्वाइनिंग हुआ मेरा और इस रिवॉल्यूशन में मैं शामिल हुआ. नाउ आई एम इन दिस रिवॉल्यूशन एंड सो मेनी फ्रेंड्स आई एम हैविंग, सो मेनी फ्रेंड्स. I don't know any one of them before, only Jesse. But now, these all are my friends, all very big family, big family. And this family is my family. But now, how many staff you are having at present? 360. So these 360 are also now in our family. Really a great effort you are doing. I am very pleased and excellent work, excellent. And lastly but not the least, if I forgot to thank the king of the gifting, I call him king of the gifting, Mr. Ash Mufare. See this mobile. In my life, No company has given me so much respect, and I'm feeling so much better. I can't stop myself from crying. This is he's an excellent man, and you people are lucky to be in his team. Lucky. He is doing a great job. I don't know from where he's getting strength. He's sitting in USA and operating all around the world. If you ask any of the founder, that he says, yes, I know Ash always take care of me. So how can he take care of 350,000 people? But everyone tells me. So this is a God-given strength, and really he treats all the people, all 350,000 as his family members. So really a big clap for him, big clap. I think we all must stand up and give clap for him. Clap for Ashwin. Clap. Sir, you are great. Sir, you are great. You are great, sir. Great. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Modi sir.
बैठिए सर। गुड इवनिंग ऑल ऑफ यू। दोस्तों, टुडे इज अ ग्रेट डे। टुडे इज अ वेरी ग्रेट डे फॉर ऑल। ज्यादा लंबी बात नहीं करूंगा। जस्सी मेरा पुराना मित्र है। जस्सी जी ने 16 अगस्त को बताया 2019 को, मेरे माइंड ने एक्सेप्ट नहीं किया कि नहीं हो सकता ऐसा, ये इम्पॉसिबल है। बट 10 महीने के बाद ये सिलसिला यूं ही चलता रहा। मैंने जानने की कोशिश की। 28 मई 2020 को मैंने शुरू किया, और एक वर्ड, मैं ज्यादा पढ़ा लिखा नहीं हूं, एक वर्ड मैंने सुना यहां पे, डिसरप्टिव। फिर मैंने पूछा भाई लोगों से, शुक्ला जी बहुत बोलते हैं इस वर्ड को, दिनेश भाई से पूछा, इस वर्ड का अर्थ होता है विध्वंसकारी। ये बड़ा नेगेटिव सा वर्ड है अपने आप में। पर दोस्तों, जब मैंने इस वर्ड का अर्थ जाना ओन पैसिव को लेके कि ऐश मुफारे ने क्या कर दिया, इसका मतलब है पुरानी जो टेक्नोलॉजी है उसको उड़ा देना, एक नए आयाम का पैदा हो जाना, एक नई ऊर्जा के साथ ऐसा कुछ हो जाना जो नहीं है अभी तक। दोस्तों, 20,000 से ज्यादा लोग आज मेरे साथ जुड़े, मैं उन सबका धन्यवाद करता हूं। मैं जस्सी भाई जी का, गुरशमिंदर ढिल्लो जी का, एस मुफारे जी का, और जो लोग एलसी मेंबर हैं उनका, और जो लोग हर रोज मीटिंग करते हैं, मैं सभी नाम शायद ना ले पाऊं पर मैं उनके नाम जरूर लेना चाहूंगा, क्योंकि आज उन्हीं लोगों की वजह से मैं यहां पे हूं। सर जस्सी भाई जी, केडी शुक्ला जी, दिनेश कोटियन साहब, नीरज दलवी जी, कौशिक पांड्या जी, मोदी इद्रिस जी, देवीलाल साहब, और कोई नाम मेरे से कई सारे छूट गए हो तो मैं माफी चाहूंगा प्लीज। अभी बहुत सारे लोग यहाँ पे आते हैं। तो दोस्तों, मैं ज्यादा ना बोलते हुए यूं कहूंगा कि हमें बहुत मेहनत करनी है अभी, और हमने क्या करना है, दुनिया को आने वाले 90 दिन में मेरे को लगता है कि हम जो पिछला जिस टेक्नोलॉजी के आधार पर ये सब है, मैं ज्यादा नहीं जानता हूं इसके बारे में, लेकिन सबको
उड़ा देंगे। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
थैंक यू।
Give big hand for KD sir.
थैंक यू, थैंक यू, थैंक यू, थैंक गॉड। और भगवान को मैं बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया अदा करूंगा आज। और भगवान को शुक्रिया अदा करने के बाद अगर मैं सबसे ज्यादा शुक्रिया अदा करूंगा तो वो है हमारे बिलव्ड CEO मिस्टर एस मुफारा सर। और जसी जी के लिए 2 लाइन कहना चाहूंगा कि मैं तो अकेला ही चला था जाने में मंजिल, लोग आते गए और कारवां बनता गया। जोरदार तालियां जसी जी के लिए। इस मौके पे मैं सबसे ज्यादा धन्यवाद देना चाहूंगा हमारे ग्रेट लीडर गुरविंदर सिंह ढीलन को, जिनके लिए मैं हमेशा ये कहता हूं सोर्स बिहाइंड द फोर्स। वो रियल सोर्स है इस पूरी फोर्स के। और उसके बाद मैं सबसे ज्यादा दिलों की अनंत गहराइयों से अगर मैं धन्यवाद देना चाहूंगा तो हमारे ग्रेट लीडर जसवंत सिंह जस्सी जी को। तो मैं चाहूंगा जोरदार तालियां हो जस्सी जी के लिए, पहली चीज। और उसके बाद मैं सबसे ज्यादा धन्यवाद आज देना चाहूंगा इस दिन को और कल के दिन को हिस्टोरिकल बनाने के लिए ऑन पैसिफिक के सारे हमारे साथियों को, जिन्होंने मुझे फील कराया कि कल मैं जस्ट लाइक सेलिब्रिटी मुझे महसूस हुआ। जैसे ही मैं एयरपोर्ट पे उतरा, उन लोगों ने इतना वार्म वेलकम किया मेरा, और जैसे ही फोटो शूट हुआ मुझे ऐसा लगा जैसे कि बॉलीवुड का कोई हीरो आता है, उसकी एंट्री हो रही है और मुझे बुके मिल रहा है और फोटो शूट हो रहे हैं। उसके बाद मैं अपनी कार, जब मैं कार से नीचे ऑफिस में उतरा, वहां भी पूरी कंप्लीट फोटो शूट्स वहां पे हुए। मुझे ऐसा फील हुआ कि रियली मैंने जितने भी लाइफ में आज तक जितने भी 18 सालों से जो मैंने मार्केटिंग के क्षेत्र में पुण्य कर्म कुछ किए होंगे, उसके बदले में आज मुझे ऑन पैसिव मिला हुआ है। राइट। सो वंस अगेन आप सब लोगों को मैं सैल्यूट करता हूं। और इस जर्नी के बारे में 2 लाइन कहना चाहूंगा। जस्सी जी ने मुझे 8 नवंबर 2019 को ऑन पैसिव के बारे में मुझे बताया था, और फ्रॉम द सेम डे मैंने ऑन पैसिव को ज्वाइन किया था। बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली कुछ चीजों में बिजी होने की वजह से हम लोगों ने इसे स्टार्ट किया अप्रैल में, राइट। और अप्रैल में हमने जब स्टार्ट किया तो जस्सी जी ने थ्रू वेबिनार उसका स्टार्ट किया, और जस्सी जी ने जब वेबिनार लेना शुरू किया उसके बाद से लेकर आज तक हमने कभी पीछे मुड़कर देखा नहीं। और इस कड़ी में सबसे अहम रोल जो प्ले किया बहुत हमारे जो सीनियर लोग हैं, मैं स्पेशली थैंक्स करना चाहूंगा मांगे राम जी का, जिन्होंने एक बहुत तेजी दी इस पूरे के पूरे सिस्टम को। और एक जैसे लाइक क्रिकेट में वीरेंद्र सहवाग जब बैटिंग करता है, कुछ इस तरह का उन्होंने किया। थैंक यू वेरी मच टीम मांगे राम जी। और मैं थैंक यू यहाँ पर कहना चाहूंगा जस्सी जी के साथ में दिनेश कोटियन जी का, जिन्होंने वेबिनार को स्टार्टअप करते हुए डेली लेने की परंपरा को डाला। और उसके बाद फिर मैं एक ऐसी टीम का नाम लूंगा जिसने एक इतिहास रच दिया, और उसका नाम है कौशिक पांड्या जी, मुकुंद काबरा जी, नीरज जी एंड माई सेल्फ डॉक्टर KD शुक्ला। हम लोगों ने पिछले 6.5 महीने से एक भी दिन खाली नहीं रखा। ईच एंड एवरी डे हम लोगों ने वेबिनार्स लिए और आप लोगों का प्यार मिला। मुझे 18 साल हो गए इस फील्ड में, लेकिन आज तक कभी ऐसा नहीं लगा कि कभी ऐसा महसूस नहीं हुआ कि हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं। हम लोगों को ऐसा लगा कि हम लोग अपना बेस्ट देने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, और डे बाय डे हमने अपना बेस्ट दिया। और यही कारण है कि आज जस्सी जी और हम सब मिलकर जो चले थे धीरे धीरे आज बहुत तेजी से चल रहे हैं। मांगे राम जी 20,000 क्रॉस कर गए हैं, बाकी सब लोग भी बहुत जल्दी 20,000 क्या 50,000 क्रॉस करेंगे। आई होप हमारी स्पीड बिल्कुल रॉकेट जैसे होने वाली है। और यहाँ पर मैं ये साथ में ये और कहना चाहूंगा कि आप जितने भी यहाँ पर बैठे हैं मेरे साथ के जो ऑन पैसिव के जो एम्प्लॉइज हैं, स्टाफ है, जो एक्चुअली बैकबोन है ऑन पैसिव के, उनके लिए मैं ये कहना चाहूंगा कि हम लोग जो 8 बजे का वेबिनार लेते हैं, हिस्टोरिकल वेबिनार, आई थिंक 8 बजे वो स्टार्ट होता है और 8:05 में 1000 की कैपेसिटी फुल हो जाती है। और यूट्यूब पे हम जब लिंक शेयर 1 मिनट में 1 मिनट हाउसफुल हो जाता है। और उसके बाद हम लोग जब यूट्यूब पे लिंक शेयर करते हैं उसे 1300 1400 लोग उसे देखते हैं। मतलब डेली मोर देन 2400 लोग उस वेबिनार को वॉच करते हैं। मैं ईश्वर का शुक्रिया अदा करता हूं। ये हमारी टीम या हम लोगों की वजह से नहीं, बल्कि उस अलमाइटी गॉड की वजह से है। और सबसे बड़ी बात है कि एस मुफारा सर का जो 24/7 जो डेडिकेशन है, जो कमिटमेंट है, वो एक एंड यूजर तक के लिए जो उनकी सोच है, मैं उनको सलाम करता हूं। और आई होप कि जिन सपनों के साथ आज हम यहाँ पर आए हैं, इस बिल्डिंग को देखने के बाद अब किसी के मन में नीरज कोई में भी नहीं रहेगा होगा आई थिंक, और सारे के सारे लोगों ने महसूस किया होगा आज। डेफिनेटली वी आर गोइंग टू इन इट विद विन इट, वी आर इन इट टू विन इट। इस नारे को जो हम लोग रोज शाम को बुलंद करते हैं, यहाँ पे आगे ऐसा लगता है कि आप सफल हो गए, सक्सेस हो गए, 100% सफल हुआ। क्या लगता है आप लोगों को? डेफिनेटली हम लोग सफल हो गए। आप सब लोग जितने भी लोग यहाँ पर हैं और आने वाले समय में जितने भी लोग हमारे साथ आने वाले हैं, मैं आपको बता दूं सर, सिर्फ डिक्लेरेशन हो चुका है, वो और सबके सब सफल हो चुके हैं, बस फॉर्मेलिटी बाकी है। राइट? Am I right? Yes. So wish you all the best. Thank you very much once again. Thank you Az, thank you Gushwinder, thank you Jesse, and thank you all my on-passion team Hyderabad. Thank you very much. Wish you all the best. Thank you.
Guys, a small reminder that we are about to go for dinner and we're getting late. We just left with 2 hours and then you will have to come back for the meeting. Indeed, sir. So let's make it
and
little,
before
sir.
we wind up, group picture, please. Yeah.
So we're going to have a group picture. Yes. So, sir, 1 minute. Yes.
Thank you for the minute. Well, my name is Dinesh Kotian and I'm a trainer, motivator, speaker, and but I tell you, after coming into this system and today, I'm super motivated in sense, we had seen the pictures, the building, the office, and it looked real, but now here, after coming here, we feel it real. Telling everybody it's a different feeling, feeling from inside, and those positive people who we are all sitting here, and at this pandemic time we have still come here. I would like to thank firstly Jesse sir, who had pursued behind me from last 1 year, and I had rejected the proposal, and again 6 months back when we got in touch, I just researched at that time. We had just a Bangalore office and that was also not very clear, not very sure, and Jesse sir also had not visited there. So that was a very big question mark, but I don't know why the feeling came in, and I said yes, and slowly the feeling got inside, and what happened was the power which we started getting and the positive people which came in, and when I started the webinar, people were accepting what is there, but with a pace. I know Mangiramji was there, and all the leaders, particularly leaders from the Leadership Council, I would like to thank them. KD Shuklaji for carrying the flag which I started, daily webinar, which for some reason I have some work, I had to take a break, but he did it every day. A salute to him, and really feeling Gushwinder Singh Dhillon, who knew me first, had perceived Jesse sir and told them that, and I have the feeling of a family. Today also when we meet all the staff here, it is so wonderful, and I'm definitely charged up, and I'm sure that this is going to happen. It is a historic thing, and this is going to take us very far. Since the time limit is there, I won't be able to speak much, but believe me, I won't be able to thank personally, but all who have come here, those 28 people, these rock stars are working from their heart, and the staff from my side and Mangiramji, I've forgotten to thank, and from all the side of our side, to the staff here, thank you so much. You are so polite, cordial, forceful, and the man behind Mr. Ash Mufarah, I don't know, as Modi sir said that where the energy comes from, he doesn't know. Actually, I will say God knows, because God only can give that energy, nobody else can give, and such a positive man, such a positive thinking, I salute him really, and I'm sure we are going to reach great heights. Thank you so much. We are in it to win it.
Thank you. I could not resist myself to speak for 1 or 2 minutes, and first of all, I should thank Ash Mufarah ji. I don't know, his level of everything is that what I think personally, he goes to some cosmos, brings some idea, and get it implemented. And but he has got the idea that is before you today here. basic first salute this. And that is one part. Second part is, I think this on passive is not a scheme. It is not a system, it is a mission. Mission of what? Mission of eradicating poverty from this entire globe. That mission is there. In one of the talk to a fellow called me, he told ki, sir, how much money I will get? मैंने कहा, how much money you want? कहता मैं घर बनाना बहुत बढ़िया. मैंने कहा ओके डन. उसके बाद पैसा बच गया, फिर क्या करोगे? कहता मैं गाड़ी ले लूंगा. मैंने कहा वो भी ले ली, फिर क्या करोगे? फिर कहता मैं अपनी फैमिली के लिए कुछ करूंगा, ये करूंगा, वो करूंगा. मैंने कहा आपने सब कुछ कर लिया, उसके बाद भी आपके पास पैसे बच गए. Then what will you do? He was little bit silent first, then he told. Then he told me, he said there is nothing left to me. It will be just a charity which I will do. मैंने कहा yes, that is the real motive of one passive. Charity to those 750 people who are till 250 crore world population, which is poor as well as they are needy. Only 3% person who are rich. They have not told the secret of rich to the poor. That's why poor is poor, rich is rich. But this now cycle is reversed by Ash Mufara. Okay, I thank you, Justice sir. I thank my immediate top line, Vatkar ji and Kushminder sir and K.D. Shukla sir, Modi sir, and I have worked as general manager in bank. We used to come in the airport, we used to be received like this. But here I see a very different type of welcome. Like it is a wonderful mix of a professionalism and a homely feeling. Great. I am not the professional way the staff has treated us in every sphere in showing this office or anything, and we have felt at home. And I will say to staff also, our relation will be always complementary and supplementary. We will complement and supplement you, you complement and supplement us. Okay, that is our goal. That complementary and supplementary relations between you, us and the staff here will definitely achieve our mission of making rich the 750 crore people of the world. Thank you very much.
Thank you everyone. Lastly, Rajiv Sarma here. Just a vote of thanks. No stories from my side. It's just a vote of thanks to all the speakers, to Jassi ji, K.D. Shukla ji, Mangeram ji, everybody. As the world watches us, it's a woman empowerment. We have the ladies here, we have the special people. So I would like to thank entire world, all co-founders. We might be watched, not just about myself. So welcome and congratulations and a vote of thanks to all the co-founders who have joined worldwide on passive. All countries, be it USA, UK, any country. For everyone, I would like to thank, and thank you so much for a wonderful host, Mr. Ash Mufara. He has welcomed us with love. Everybody has shared. So thanks to Ash Mufara, thanks to Dilo sir, thanks to Jassi ji, and everybody from the bottom of heart. Thank you so much. We are summing up. Thank you.
I want to thank you, every one of you. In fact, thank you for all that you've shared, the love that you've shared, the expectations. I mean, we could really feel it. Indeed, guys. Yes or no? Yes. we actually are encouraged with whatever you shared, and please do not score me. It's just that we're running out of time, and then we have to come back to meet with Ash, which is more important. So yeah, we're gonna close this meeting here, and then we're gonna go out. We have cars waiting for us. We'll go have a dinner quick, and then come back again. Right? Thank you so much, guys.
Where are we going? This hotel only.
Sir, group photo.
Group photo, please.
Where is the place? Dinner.
ఒకసారి గ్రూప్ చూపించండి గ్రూప్ చూపించి ఎవరు
लेडीज आगे रहो, 3 जन आगे रहो। हाँ, लेडीज बैठ जाओ। चलिए आइए। बाकी सब ऊपर जाइए। You can sit there comfortable.
And lady.
साल के बाद लेडी हो जाती है। अरे राम साहब आइए। राम साहब अनुदीप आइए बैठिए। एक काम करो जस्ट भाई आप आइए आगे बैठ जाओ। बीच में आ जाओ। थोड़ी देर लाइव है अभी भी। हाँ।
Sir, can you come this side? Anyone? The road also.
आगे आना पड़ेगा। नहीं वो पीछे नहीं मजा आएगी आगे आना। एक काम करो आगे
इस तरह से हो जाओ, अल्टरनेट बैठ जाओ। ओके,
We are
Come friends. Come friends.
भटका साहब चुप कर दो।
Okay. Ready. Three.
Say cheese. Cheese. Butter. Naan. I'm hungry.
Yep.
We are. We are. We are.
थैंक यू। थैंक यू।
तुमको गपचूप खाना खाने का वापस आने का।
आइए सर।
आइए सर।
फोन की रैक
थैंक यू थैंक यू।
Thank you. Thank you all the staff. Thank you. Very nice.